Pinegreen Lighting's LED puff lights are versatile ceiling lights that can be used almost anywhere in the home. They come in 3 different sizes and 2 shapes, including 11-inch round and square, 15-inch round and square, and 19-inch round. Before you start any electrical installation, make sure to turn the power off from the circuit breaker. Installation is simple. First, connect the wires. Attach the wiring nuts to secure the connection. Tuck the wires into the electrical box. Screw the base securely to the electrical box. Finally, secure the LED puff light by snapping it into the base and twisting it to lock. From the circuit breaker, turn the power back on. To toggle through each temperature option, which includes 2700K, 3000K, 3500K, 4000K, and 5000K, turn the light on and off quickly. To save the desired temperature setting, keep the light on for 6 seconds or longer. Pinegreen Lighting, a brighter light for a brighter life.